guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're about to head out into the garage. You guys are always wanting to see out there. It is nothing like the inside of my house. Nothing, it's horrible. But our attic is full. So basically we keep piles of stuff we don't want or we're gonna sell or we don't need anymore, and then we'll have like 1 or 2 garage sales every summer. But with how the world is, we don't want to like take money. So what we decided to do, and we don't want it for another winter, like, because we're just gonna keep doing it and we're already busting at the seams. So we're gonna go ahead and pull down as much as we can, and I think we're just gonna do like a free yard sale and just throw it in the driveway, put it on a site. We'll probably put it on our neighborhood site first, and then anything that's left, open it up and just let people come and get it. We'll like watch from the windows, but we definitely have to like clear out before we just explode because we need space to put more in. So Chase is gonna get up in the attic and we're gonna start pulling everything down, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing that because it actually is cluttered. Like, it's bad. It's not like my house at all. So let's head out that way.
Here we go.
Okay, so here, that's probably a lot of garage sale stuff right there at the front. And the back there, that's like all of our Christmas. They're just like boxes. And hey, I've been looking for that wreath.
There you go.
Over here it's not as bad, but it's because there's no flooring, so we can't put anything over there.
We have 4 doors right over there from the inside of our house that we've taken off.
So there's everything. We're gonna start pulling out all the stuff we're gonna get rid of. Moly. That was a lot of stuff. As you can see though, we're already hoarding it back in. I grabbed some cute curtains I didn't realize was in there. She found a whole box of doll clothes she at one point didn't need, now she's obsessed with.
How could you get rid of doll clothes?
I know, I'm shocked. She found a monkey. She didn't realize. So we're gonna kind of go through this and make sure it's nothing like this decor is kind of catching my eye. Make sure none of this is like keepsakes that just got mixed in. So now we're just gonna kind of sort through it. Hey Chase, is there a paint color on that can? So many of you guys asked us what our old bathroom cabinets were. It's like what's still in my bathroom.
Sherwin-Williams Sticks and Stones.
Let me get that. So if you guys want the paint that was before we painted it white, it's still in my bathroom, so I can show it to you here in a second. That's the color. We get asked that a lot, and I didn't realize we had that up there.
Yeah.
So now we have to sort through all of this, and I'm sweating. It is so hot.
Oh yeah, it's about 20 degrees warmer in there.
Yeah, and I'm hot down here, so I can't imagine.
We've got one more huge piece to bring down. We're gonna show them that?
You can, but let's sort through this too.
Yeah.
Okay, it seems like it's getting bigger, but I'm trying to like organize things so when people come, it makes some kind of sense. So I'm like putting all of our clothes in piles.
Are you up there?
What you doing up there?
I need this thing down.
Oh.
I want to display them.
She needs something up there, Daddy. Here is the closet. So I've shown in here a few times. So normally this is what it looks like. It's just these like double doors. But when you're in here, this is always a mess. This is the cleanest it'll ever be, just because we have so many supplies. So the more you have on hand, the more likely you're gonna do projects. So I try to keep like, you know, all of our, what are these called? spray paints. And then paints, stains. We just buy a lot of samples so we have the sizes. This I need to organize just a tad bit better, but it's all of our like brushes and supplies and rollers. I do keep my shampooer in here, and then this is like this. We're all electric out here, so this is like a what kind of thing is this?
What are you looking at?
The kerosene heater. So if we've never lost it. We've been out here 4 years, which now we will because I jinxed us. But we keep that just in case we do get stuck out here. But it's a little messy, but at the same time, this is stuff we have to have, and when we need it, it's right there. So this is actually somewhat clean to us. So anytime I buy anything and it comes in these plastic Ziploc bags, I hoard these. I hoard blankets, I hoard plastic Ziploc bags. Chase is trying to make me get rid of them, but I love having these for different things. Like, I use them more than you know, so I'm not getting rid of those. This is some stuff that I found that I'm gonna go ahead and keep. I like to keep extra decor just in case I need it. I am getting rid of all these pieces. I wish you guys lived closer just so I could be like, hey, everybody come over and pick what you need, but you don't. But if you did, I'd let you come. So everything's looking good though. We got lots of clothes. This is all Chase's clothes. This is all Savannah's. That's all mine. There's like home decor. There's like 2 boxes full of toys, like LOL dolls, doll stuff, animals. There's backpacks, which will be good just if kids are going back to school. I have a whole bag full of kids' shoes, organizers, just a lot of stuff. So it's gonna feel so good to get all of this gone. Okay, if you guys have been around from the beginning or early on, you'll know this used to be above our sectional, and we used to have one above our headboard in our bedroom. It was when we were super farmhouse themed, and we love this. I searched high and low for these windmills. I'd already given one away to a friend, and now this one's been up in the attic for a few years. We're not using it, so I think it's time to go. I may walk through the house, but we're just more glam now than that. But basically now we're just gonna scoot everything's organized, even if it doesn't look like it. I'm just gonna scoot it over to this side of the garage so my car can pull in, and then we'll do this one evening so we can get rid of most of it. What we don't get rid of we'll take to like a donation place, but I thought it would just be fun to do it for free first, because no matter where we drop it off, they're gonna charge people to buy it. So I'd rather just give it away for free. Okay guys, it's a little later now. It's like 1:45. We are gonna go ahead and like host this tonight. So I just have like a really banged up board, but I just wanna put everything's free so we can set it out so people can find us. Or if like the neighborhood people don't check the Facebook page, they could see this. So I'm just gonna put everything, everything is free?
Yeah, I'd say everything free.
Everything free? Like single, everything?
Yeah, I mean, can you fit everything is free on that box?
Everything is free.
I'd say everything.
Free everything.
Yeah, everything free.
Okay, I made that last sign, and because it was tore, I didn't feel like you could read it, so. I'm using the inside, so I just like cut the top off of it. Okay guys, don't be jealous of my fancy sign I made right here, but at least it'll catch people's attention. We'll probably just stick it in the yard or like on the mailbox for everybody to see. And then I'll show us setting it up and maybe just a few clips of like from the window of people coming, and then I'll show you how much gets picked up. And then like I said, whatever doesn't go, we'll just, you know, take to Goodwill or one of the donation places. Okay guys, it's about 4:30 now, so we're gonna go ahead and put all of this out and then make the announcement, just because I don't wanna have to worry about this stuff with people showing up. Chase has to put up the sign, and then I'm curious to see, like, does any of this go? Is anybody gonna come? It's not like a normal weekend, so we'll learn together if people will drive out here for free stuff. Okay guys, it is hot as heck out here, so I'm glad we're not actually working this. We're just gonna watch from the AC of our window. But we have a really big driveway and we filled up most of it, and I still have stuff in boxes, so I was just trying to scatter it a little bit for the people. Okay, now I'm hiding inside. I am so hot and sweaty, it's not even funny. I'm definitely gonna have to take a shower before bed tonight. It's all set up, so we're gonna go ahead and start listing it different places. I did want to let you guys know, if you guys ever do anything like this or have a yard sale or a garage sale, put up a sign that says not responsible for injury and date it for the days you're doing it, so you don't get sued, because you just never know anymore. So I was always taught to do that, so I have that like hung outside on top of our garage. Sorry, it's hot, I can't even think. Okay, I don't want to bug people like filming them outside, but we have that security camera with Yuffie. Look at our nice photo, our phone holder shoes. But we're in here watching them, listening to them. It's so much fun. It's a lot of little girls from the neighborhood shopping.
I saw a boy take my Boston Red Sox.
Yeah, the
pillows.
Boston.
That was cool.
Well, one of our neighbors got like our car shade, and she, like, you twist them to close them, and she couldn't get it back shut. It was so funny.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out.
Okay guys, it's been an hour since we opened. No, George.
Okay.
You have to stay. And we've had about 4 people, but 2 big groups that wiped us out. So this is what we're down to. I'm gonna kind of speed clean it real quick so the next person that comes back, it looks nicer. But we're definitely getting low.
There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you
Okay, see how much better that looks? It looks like we're full again. Everybody can see what they're looking at. So just taking a few minutes to like reorganize and prep it, more people will come, and if you're selling the items, it'll help them to sell faster. Okay guys, it's about 20 minutes till close. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. It's mainly just clothes out here, so I'm gonna throw it all just in a trash bag so I can take it to donate it.
what we could do around the world, say to Peru.
Okay guys, so this is it. If we were to have to fill up my car with everything that was in here before, it would have been like 2 or 3 loads. Now it's just the back end of my small SUV. So I'm so thankful we'll drop this stuff off, but that was a fun day. Okay guys, that's a wrap. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was just something different and fun to do. Definitely be on the lookout for Sunday's video because I have an awesome video I'm putting up then on Till Vacuum. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.